What? I'm taking a video.
I mean, Melrose, will you help me get that spider off my bike?
I don't know how. I'm afraid of them.
Can I use your bag? Do you think that would answer your mom's question? Yeah. Riding bike.
Look, I'm going to go down the hill and I'm videotaping.
Oh my God, you're going to throw your phone.
Oh, okay, I almost did. That was scary. I'm doing that again. Bryce, videotape me going down that big hill.
I want to see.
Okay, I'm going to make the last one.
Oh wait, it is videotaping. Hold on. This is going to be a horrible video. Hi. Guys, can you help me get it off?
Take a video.
I am.
Ah! My butt. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
Oh.
Give me my phone.
Anger. Where is it? I'm trying to find it. It's gone. No, it isn't. And it's all light brown.
Is it a tick?
It's a spider.
Well,